60分27,000円。
高い。
ストップ。
Hey, how's it going, art nerds, and welcome back to video, and I am Mark, Mark. And in this bodacious video that I have for you guys today, it's a straightforward and hopefully short one. My god, I hope it's short. I do not feel like editing for 20 hours this weekend. Anyways, yes, hello there. I am Mark, and if you are unaware and are new to this channel, welcome. This is an art channel. Therefore, as the artist who runs this trash can of an art channel, I mean this prestigious art channel, I one day sat down and asked myself one question. Have I ever actually taught people how to draw? Like as a beginner-friendly type of thing? And then I realized the answer to my question was no. And it was at that moment I immediately booked a flight and went to the Embassy of Art in Paris and handed in my beret, fake mustache, palette, and paintbrush to the World Art Organization Committee, as I was no longer worthy to call myself an artist anymore. How dare I? How dare I have a YouTube channel for artists and not even make a how to draw video? And after I resigned, I immediately was given millions of dollars, as I was no longer allowed to be poor because I'm not an artist anymore. Oh my god, I wonder how many people I just genuinely offended with that long ass artist stereotype joke. But it's okay, y'all. Like I said, it's just a joke. Don't worry, I'm still poor as shit. Please subscribe to the Patreon. But yeah, enough wasting time in a ridiculously long intro. In this video, I figured I'd try my best to make a beginner friendly how to draw video, straight up. So what I'm going to go over in this video is essentially all you need to learn how to draw. You do not need any other video or tutorial. No. This video, my video, has it all. So go tell all the other art YouTubers they might as well just quit, buy a boat, and cry themselves a river, because I, Mark, got it covered. But yeah, no more wasting time. Let's jump headfirst into the sopping, wet, moist video topic. Ew, why'd I say it like that? Okay, so how to draw? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would break down the answer to that question in 5 simple, not so simple, steps. So come on, vamonos, everybody, let's go and run right through these, because this should be brief. Step 1. Okay, so assuming you right now watching are a complete and utter total idiot. Like, I mean, you've got your last brain cell on witness protection. That's how much you're clinging on to anything remotely resembling basic human intelligence. Sorry, not sorry, but essentially, assuming you know absolutely nothing about drawing, the first step would be to learn how to draw simple shapes. That's it. For some reason that I cannot comprehend, I see some comments under the most complex anatomy videos on YouTube where someone says, I came to learn how to draw a head and your first step is to draw a circle? I can't even draw a normal circle, man. Exactly. Some of y'all can't even draw a simple circle because you just begin too excited to draw like your favorite artist who's probably been drawing for like, what, 10 years? When you yourself can't even draw a stick figure that doesn't look like it needs immediate medical attention. So yeah, start with learning how to draw simple 2D shapes well enough first. Like, start with a circle or a triangle, and how about a square? You like squares, motherfucker? I like squares. Draw that shit. I'm so dumb. But yeah, you get the point. Draw simple shapes till you get good enough and comfortable enough at it. In this step, also find time to then put those simple shapes together and on top of one another in creative ways and stuff. But yeah, for step 1, learn to draw simple shapes. Step 2, draw those 2D simple shapes from step 1 in 3D now. Yeah, I know, right? Things are starting to get crazy. So hold on to your My Little Pony underwear, because I know I'm hanging on to mine. So yeah, take those 2D shapes like the circle, square, triangle, and etc. from the first step and now draw them in 3D shapes like a sphere, cube, triangular prism, cylinder, and yeah, you get the point. Practice and practice and then practice some more. Also, like I asked you to do in the first step, put them together in different ways. Lay them on each other, on top of each other, stack them, I don't care. Just get good at drawing them. Also important with 3D shapes is learning to draw them from any angle or position. And yeah, with that said, the next step, step 3, is draw warped 3D shapes now. So congratulations, art nerd, you've now graduated from learning the normie vanilla 3D shapes to the kinky motherfuckers, you know, like the weird ass taking pictures of people's feet when they're not looking and paying women to step on you type of shapes. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, the weird ones. Cause surprise, spoiler alert for later in the video, not everything in this world can be broken down into those core basic shapes. There are gonna be some things or objects out there that even when you break them down, they still have some goofy basic shape. So yeah, draw shapes like a bean shape or whatever this shape is right here, or this one, or this ugly one right here. I don't care. Learn them. Go online, find references for these weird 3D shapes, and draw them over and over and over again. For step 4, combine everything you've learned so far. I mean, take everyday objects, and maybe if you're feeling bold, a human, and break them down into their most simple shapes. And like the avatar did with all 4 elements, I want you to take all the 3 steps you've practiced all this time for these 3 seasons and not kill the Fire Lord, and instead take his bending away. Wait, no, that's wrong. I mean, take all the 3 steps you've learned and combine it to help you not only simplify everyday objects into basic shapes, but also draw them. Because like I said earlier, every single thing on this planet can be broken down into simple shapes. So everything you would have learned through an insane amount of practice and using reference by now would have prepared you and gotten you ready to do this and even draw things in perspective and different angles and even do some crazy stuff like foreshortening. Trust me. And for the last and final step, step 5, keep practicing and using a whole lot of reference, because I hope nobody clicked this video and expected they learned to draw like a top G in 1 day, or even 1 week, or even 3 months. Ladies and gentlemen, learning to draw really well, matter of fact, learning to even just get mid, yes, mid at drawing is hard. So if you clicked off this video getting mad that Diddy Mark didn't help you learn to draw fast, then keep crying your ass all the way to Weenie Hut Jr., because there's no video in the world that can do that for you. Every artist you see that's really good spent time, and for some, maybe even decades, practicing and getting good, honing their craft, and just overall perfecting not having a life. I mean drawing to get where they are. But yeah, that aside, even after going through the first 4 steps successfully, you still have a ways to go. You're gonna have to go through these 4 steps many times over and over again. And also in general, just draw a lot, like draw many times, because this stuff takes time. P.S. Use reference, like a lot. I'm sure I've made that clear enough throughout the video. Like, just so y'all know, even the most expert artists still use reference. And yeah, study and learn the drawing fundamentals at some point after step 1, because I think that helps out a lot. So yeah, with all that said, that's why my cat likes my girlfriend more than he likes me. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this video was a tiny bit helpful to someone out there. But yeah, shout out to my patrons for supporting this video. They're the real MVPs. If you want to support me and help me not be exceedingly poor and starving, I wish that wasn't a joke, then please head on down, because the link to my Patreon is in the description down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video to let me know if you enjoyed it. And also, I made a podcast with my guy 3rdphp called the Artcast Podcast. So if you want to hear this beautiful, soft voice talk more about art and a whole lot of other stuff, go subscribe to our channel, and hopefully we'll be on Spotify soon as well. The links to everything you need will be in the description down below. P.S. Don't forget to leave a comment on this video, as I do in fact read and respond to some comments. And yeah, till next time, art nerds, it's been I, Diddy super duper underrated Mark. Peace and love, baby.